Meaning of Edith Evans.
Edith Evans.
Edith Evans.
Edith Evans.
Edith Evans. Edith Evans refers to a British actress who was born in 1888 and died in 1976. She was known for her stage performances as well as her appearances in films such as The Importance of Being Earnest and Tom Jones. She was renowned for her ability to deliver Shakespearean roles and was widely regarded as one of the finest actresses of her time. Throughout her career, she received numerous accolades including a Tony Award, a BAFTA, and multiple nominations for an Academy Award. Her legacy continues to inspire and influence actors and actresses today.